Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the next trucking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Next Trucking is a digital freight marketplace designed to streamline operations for carriers, shippers, and owner-operators. The app helps drivers find and book loads, manage shipments, and handle paperwork all in one place. With features like real-time tracking, upfront pricing, and instant load booking, it aims to simplify freight logistics and improve efficiency for independent drivers and small fleets. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's user-friendly interface and the convenience of booking loads without back-and-forth phone calls. The instant pricing and transparent load details help drivers make quick decisions. The ability to track shipments in real time and upload pods directly from the app also reduces administrative hassle. It's especially praised for helping carriers keep their trucks full with minimal downtime. However, the app isn't perfect. Some users report limited load availability depending on the region, which can make it hard to find consistent work. Others mention occasional bugs like crashes or slow refresh times, especially during updates. Also, while the load board is helpful, it may not always show the highest-paying loads compared to brokers or direct shipper contacts. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Next Trucking app may be worth using if you're an independent driver or small carrier looking for a tech-driven way to find and manage freight. It shines in usability, instant load booking, and time-saving tools. However, if you need higher-paying lanes or operate in less busy markets, you may want to combine it with other freight platforms. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.